Welcome. If you're tired of seeing Instagram notifications pop up on your lock screen and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple and updated steps to turn off Instagram alerts on your lock screen. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the important features and permissions for your apps. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or Applications. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and find Instagram. Tap on Instagram to open its specific app settings. Here, you'll see various options related to the app's behavior on your phone. Look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see different categories of alerts that Instagram can send you. Focus on the section labeled Alert under Instagram. This is where you control how notifications appear when your phone is locked. Tap on Lock Screen within this alert section. You'll be presented with several choices for how notifications behave on your lock screen. To stop Instagram notifications from showing up here, select Don't Show Notifications. This option ensures that Instagram alerts won't appear on your lock screen anymore, keeping your notifications private and your screen clutter-free. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Instagram alerts on your lock screen. Now, Instagram will still notify you when you unlock your phone or check the app, but those lock screen interruptions are gone. If you ever want to reverse this or customize other notification settings, just follow these steps again and choose the options that suit you best. Managing your notifications helps keep your phone experience smooth and tailored to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your peaceful notification-free lock screen.